All right, in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do the e-cleaning process. If you want to come down here, we're going to show you, you're going to touch the screen here. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go to e-cleaning. And you're going to say yes to the instructions. You're going to grab this brown box, which should stay right here at all times. And you're going to pull out your kit. And in this kit, we have all the parts we need. Our next step is we're going to remove the shells. You lift up, there's an arrow here, pull out, set this not on the shell, set this way so we don't scratch it. Same thing here, pull out, there's a tab on either side where my pointer fingers are. Pull that out directly, set it not on the face. In the first step, it says pour 2 packets into the cleaning powder. These 2 packets are going to go into this tank, and we pour those into there. After we put the citric acid into it, this is how we open it and close it with our fingers here. Make sure this arrow is lining up. After you fill the packets, the citric acid, you fill this tank with the 7.0 water. Press that, and then you go here, and you fill that from here.
Do we give it some time for it to recalibrate?
5 seconds. And then fill it up.
Got it.
Shake it up. After you put the top on, of course, let it all dissolve. You'll just see that it's all dissolved. You then put that into there, put it into here, and then we then pull this open, this tab here, this here, like that with our thumb, and then it slides out like that. And then we remove the filter by pulling it up. We're not going to do that right now because water will come out. And we're going to replace this cap where the filter would go. You will line up the big hole and the small hole to what's inside there. It's very simple.
For future moment of CT, how do we prevent it from flowing the water out?
Thank you. To replace this back, you just slide, make sure that is in that corner there. Just slide it back around until it pops. And to answer the question of preventing it, we're just going to release the, oh shoot, I can edit all this, it's fine. We're going to turn the water off back here, all the way. There's a knob off the silver one where all the hoses are connected, right there behind this white pipe.
That's what we call cool water.
Shut off. Yeah. Once we've put this into there, imagining this is there and not the filter, we press OK, go to the next step. It says, please put the cap on the secondary hose. You have a red cap, which will be inside this box. You're going to place it here on the secondary hose with the small side fitting snug into that, just like that. We're going to go back down here, press OK, and literally the next step is press start. It will then clean for 3 hours. Do not run the water during this time and allow the machine to do what it needs to do. Typically doing this right before closing time, allowing it to do it overnight. Once you have finished, it will prompt you to run the water for 5 minutes. And it'll give you a timer and tell you exactly when it's done.